So here's how to fix game bar not recording in Windows 11. So first you will need to right click on Windows Start button and then go to Settings and then go to Gaming, Game Bar, and then make sure allow your controller to open game bar is enabled, and then you can simply close this. Now we will need to right click on Windows Start button again and go to Installed Apps, and then once it loads up we need to scroll all the way down till we see System Components, then click on it, and now you should see the game bar component in here. Now we will simply click on the three dots next to the game bar here and go to the advanced options, and now scroll down until we see a repair button here. Click on it and then simply wait for the repair process to finish. Now once the repair is complete, we can simply close this and then press on the Windows button and G and hold them down, and that should open up the Xbox overlay on your main screen. So it's gonna appear on my main screen in here. Now you can simply hold it again to open it and go to the settings icon in here, click on it, and then go to shortcuts. Oh, let's open it again. And then in shortcuts here, scroll down, and when you see start and stop recording, make sure you set the preferred key here or hotkey to press and use it for start and stop recording. Now go to widgets and then scroll all the way up and check record in the background while playing a game. Make sure it's enabled, and also in here audio to record, make sure it's set to game or all if you want to record the game and your mic and maybe other apps as well. And that's it. That should generally fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.